Welcome back in today's class. Students, we are starting exercise 8.2 and we will be discussing 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions of this exercise. Okay. Question number 1, convert the given fractional numbers to percents. We have to convert them into percents. The first part says these are the fractions given to us. We have to convert them into percentage. If we want to convert any fraction into percentage, the first step we need to multiply it with 100. Okay, the next you can multiply. Then if they are reducible, you can reduce. By the table of 4 I am cutting. Here it will be 2, here it will be 25. So you can write your answer 20 by 2 percentage. This is how you can do how you can reduce a fraction number into percentage. B part of it, 5 by 4. Same way we will be multiplying with 100. You can cut if they are able to cut. Multiply. Now here it is 25. Multiply 25 with 5. You will get 125 percentage. Okay. The next step, the next C part of it, it is 3 by 40. We want to convert, if you want to convert into percentage means we have to multiply with 100. 1 0 will be cancelled. By the table of 2 we will cut. Here we will get 5, here we will get 2. You can multiply 5 3 is 15. If further it is not reducible, you can multiply 5 3 is 15 divided by 2 percentage will be the answer. Then D part of it, 2 by 7. Same procedure, we will multiply by 100. Multiply, nothing can be cut by the single table. So what can we do? We can multiply 200 divided by 7 and it will be your percentage. If you want to reduce into decimal form, you can reduce it also. By dividing 25 by 2, you can get 12.5 percentage. By dividing 15 by 2, you will get 7.5 percentage. Likewise, here you can get 7 to the 14, 60, 7 8 to the 56, 4, 7 5 the 30. Like that, you can get 28.5. Okay. Like that, if you want to reduce your answer percentage as well as into decimal, you can do that also. Fine. Okay. Question number 2, convert the given decimal fractions. Okay. Question number 2 says decimal fractions to percents. This is what we have to do in this question. Okay. Now it is 0.25. First part 0.65. Sorry, 0.65. For we need to convert it into percentage. Percentage means we have to multiply with 100. This is the meaning of, if you want to convert any fractions into percentage, we need to multiply it with 100. अब देखो इसको, it is very easy for us to calculate. If you want to multiply the number, you will get 65 percentage. Otherwise there is another way also. 65 का पहले हम decimal remove कर लेंगे. There are 2 places after decimal. If there are 2 places after decimal, 100 will come. See, 2 places are there, no? 2 numbers are there after decimal, so 100 will come. If one number will be there after decimal, 10 will come, like that. And this 100 we want to convert it into percentage, that's why. So like this way also you will get your answer as 65%. Okay. B part of it, it is 2.1. How can we do? First we will remove the decimal. How many places, how many numbers are there after decimal? 1. So we will bring 10. And if you want to convert it into decimal, we will multiply by 100. 1 0 will be cancelled. It will be 210 percentage. Okay. Now see, next part of it, that is 0.02. How can we do? 2 will remain as it is. 2 numbers are there after decimal, 1, 2. So 100 will come. For converting into percentage, we need to multiply by 100. 100 and 100 is cancelled. What is the percentage? 2 percentage. D part of it, that is 12.35. 12.35. How can we do? 12.35. Decimal is gone. So if we have removed the decimal, who will come under? 100 will come under. And we will multiply by 100. This 100 will be cancelled. What is the percentage? 1235 percentage. This will be the percentage. Fine. Okay. By doing like this, let's move to question number 3. Estimate which part of the figure is colored. Question is given like circles are given 1, 2 and 3. These circles are given, and here this much part is colored, this is colored, okay, and here they have divided into 1 2 3 5 parts, like 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts. It is divided into 5 parts, and these parts are colored, this and this. These 3 parts are colored, and in this there are 1 2 3 4 8 parts are there. See, 8 parts are there, and out of 8 this is colored, this is colored, and this one is colored, and this one is colored. This portion is colored. This is the figure given in the question, students. We have to find estimate what part of the figure is colored, and hence find the percentage which is colored. If I go for first part, if I make the figure complete, total parts are to be written as denominator, and the colored part will be written as numerator. So how many total parts were there? There were 4 parts. And how many colored? I have written it as numerator. If I want to convert it into percentage, I will multiply by 100. You can cut by the table of 4. So what percentage of the figure is colored? 25% of the figure is colored. Same way, if I go for this second part of it, B part of it, how many total figures are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Total will be written as denominator. And how many are colored? 1 2 and 3. 3 are colored. So we have to multiply by 100 if you want to convert it into percentage. Okay, now we can cut if they are able to cut. By the table of 5 I have cut them down. 20 multiplied by 60. What is the percentage? What is the percentage of the figure colored? That is 60%. Same way, how many total parts are there in the figure? There are 8. How many are colored? There are 3. Multiply by 100. By the table of 4 I am cutting. 4 2 are 8. 4 here it will be 25. Now no further cutting. So we can multiply 25 3 are 75 divided by 2 percentage you can write. Or if you want to write it into decimal, it will be 37.5%. I hope these questions are clear to you. Let us go for the next question of this exercise. That is question number 4. Question number 4, find A part of it, 15% of 250. See, this is very simple way. How can we do? 15 will remain same. If we want to remove this percentage, then 100 will become our denominator. This is a procedure. If you want to remove this percentage, 100 will become as denominator. Of means multiply, and 250 will remain same. That means we have to see these things. 15 on place, at its own place, 250 at its own place. Percentage, if you want to remove this percentage, 100 will become our denominator. Of means multiply. Now you can solve it further by the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Now no further cutting, you can multiply. 75 divided by 2, same, or you can write 37.5%. Okay, now B part of it, that is 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour, 1 will remain same. If you want to remove the percentage, 100 will become our denominator. Of multiply 1 hour, we will convert it into minutes, or better we will convert it into seconds. 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. If you want to convert your answer into minutes, then you can get your answer into minutes. Okay, 0 are cancelled. So what is the percentage? What is the percentage? 36%. If we have converted into seconds, and there are different answer. If I convert it into according to hour only, then it will be 1 divided by 100 multiply by 1. So 1 divided by 100, it can be 0.01%. Okay, both can be the answer of it, but it is according to seconds, it is according to hour. Okay, you can find your answer according to minutes also. Okay, because we know that how to convert hour into minutes. Now next part of it, 20%. of rupees 2500. Same way, 20 means 20 percentage, 100 will become denominator, of means multiply, and 2500 will remain same. Now we can cancel them, and after cancelling we can multiply the numerator. It will be rupees 500. Okay, it will be rupees 500. Now the D part and the last part of this question, 75 percentage of 1 kilogram. Okay, we will find our answer into kilogram only. How? 75 divided by 100 multiply by 1. Okay, if you want to cut it by the, I'm directly cutting by the table of 25. Here it will be 3, here it will be 4. Now no further cutting, so 3 divided by 4 percentage, or if you want to convert your answer into decimal, it will be 0.775. Okay, 0.75 will be your answer. Both are in decimal. This is in decimal, this is in fraction and this is in decimal. I hope the question we have discussed today is clear to you. If not, student, please let me know in the comment section. And I just want, before going, that if you really like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video for my motivation. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.